everyone, good evening. Today our group will be making a tutorial on how to style text with Google Fonts. So let's begin. So the first step is we need to open the notepad and we need to save this notepad. You can use any names you want. So our group will only use this my style sheet.css. And the most important thing during this step is you need to save this file with .css, right? Then to save this file, we need to create a folder, and our group have created the folder earlier, WP, and we just save this file into the folder. So in this .css notepad, we must include two sections, which is body section and header section. So we will start with the body section. For the body section, we will include the font family, font size, background color, and color. So for the font family, we need to open Google, and we need to open this website, www.google.com/webfonts, like on top over here. Then we can search for any fonts we like. We can use any fonts we like. So for this tutorial, I will be using only two fonts, which are Crafty Girls and Tangerine. So I've done Crafty Girls, so I'll show you how to use the font. So we can search for Tangerine or any font you like. So we all love Tangerine, so we use Tangerine. So after we have found the font that we like, so we just add to collection. After we click that button, you will see this box over here, this blue box at the bottom of your browser. Then just click use. Then this web page will appear. Then you just scroll down, and you will see this link, this code and this code. So in the in the CSS notepad, we will only be using these two, and this one we will save it for the .html notepad. So in the body section, we will be using Tangerine. So we just highlight this thing and just copy and paste it over here like this, and then you can proceed to the font size. With this font size, you can adjust the size of the font. You can make it slightly bigger or slightly smaller. It's up to you. For the body section, we will use a 48, which is not too big or too small, just perfect for a web page. Okay. Don't forget to include the PX. Then for the background color, you can choose any color you want. For me, we will be using pink. It's not necessary, you can use any color you want. So if you want something, the color that's rare, like something different, you can just search for this. You can open this website, w3schools.com, and here's some colors, maybe hundreds. I don't know how many over here. You can see, you can just copy and paste the name and just paste it over here. So let's proceed to the font color. For the color, it's just the same as the background color. You can choose any color over here or W3 Schools. Right, this 100 color. You can choose any one you want. So for the tutorial, we will be using blue. So that's for the body section. Now let's proceed to the header one section. So for header one, it's just the same as the body section. We can include font family, font size, background color, and color. So for the font family, we need to open back this website, the web font site. Then just copy the other one, the other font, Crafty Girls. Just copy, and you can just paste it over here. And then you can proceed. Not that difficult to then the font size. Just the same. You can make it bigger or smaller, but for us, it's better to use smaller just to differentiate the header section from the body section. So we will use 20. So then for the background color. For the background color, this is slightly different from the body section because in the header section we are not using the color name, but we will be using the code color, the code color. So if you don't really know the color code, so you can open this one, W3 scroll support again. Then here, over here, you see, this is all the codes. You can just copy and paste it into your .css pad. So for me, I'll be choosing FF3, which is yellow color. Then, oh yeah, I forgot to mention, you can even include border into your .css. So this I'll just include it in the header section. So for border, you can adjust the thickness of the border. You can make it 10 or even 50. It's up to you. But I'll only use 2. And you also can choose the type of border that you want. You can even use solid or even dashed. But in this tutorial, I'll only use dotted. Oh, sorry. I'll use dotted. And for the color, the font color, use black, or you can use any color you want. And don't forget the padding. So here it is. This is for the .css notepad, and just save it, just in case you have lost it. So we now can proceed to the .html notepad. So we need to open a new notepad, and we can save it as any you want. And for us, we're using a stats. And the most important step in this is we must put .html. This is very important, and we need to save it in the folder where we save the .css notepad. See, this one over here, and you must save it in here. So just save it. So with the text.html notepad, we must include this one and this one. This is for the header. Okay, and I'll be typing this one. This code is for you to link the .html notepad to the .css notepad. See? Before I forget to mention, the name over here must be the same as the name of your .css notepad. See? If they are not the same, they are seeing each other. Okay, alright. Then just open back the web font, Google web font website, and just copy this one. See, it's right. Paste it over here. So for this coding, this one can access to this one, to this font, I mean, the tangerine and the graphical over here. Without this one, without the code over here, you can access to this one. See? So over here, you can add some effects to your font, like effects. You can either put neon or shadow particle. It's up to you. You can use any effects you want, but because we don't have enough time, I'll just ignore this one. I'll just focus on how to style text using But if you really insist on doing this, you can go to this website, developers.google.com, and you can scroll down here, and here are some effects they give you over here. See all of this, and there are also some the coding, so you can just copy it. You can try. So let's proceed. So for this, we have finished the heading part, the part. So you can continue with the body. So for the body, we can include the title. For the title, you can put any name you want, and we used to put my web. So, and center. If you put this one center, all the things in your web page will be centered in the middle, right? So just and this is the for second one. You can put in. For the second one, we will use the one. So you can write anything here. And you need to close the body. And now, okay, like this. We just save it and just open the folder that we have created as well. You see, there's the .css and the .html file. So we just click on the HTML file and see, ta-da! This is the result. How to style tags with Google Fonts. Thank you.